Let's start off with the vanilla MySQL dump command that I use most of the time. Begin by opening up your shell. I like to start by navigating to a directory that I wish to save it to. You can see here I'm using G SQL tutorial. Then we're going to start with MySQL dump. SQLDMP, our username, our password, followed by the name of the database that we're dumping, and then the file name. Okay. And we'll ls to see that my dump exists. All right, let's take a look at the next command. By default, that command will dump both the structure and the data to your SQL dump file. If you just want to dump your data, you can add the following flags. We'll start with our vanilla MySQL dump, MySQL DMP, then no create DB, no create info. Then you need your U flag, my user, P flag, my password, followed by the name of the table, or the database rather, and then the file name. Again, let that run for a minute. All right, that has finished up, and then we'll just verify by typing ls my dump. There we go. All right, on to the next command. If you're also looking to dump the MySQL stored procedures, we need to do something a little bit different. We're going to use the same command structure from our basic dump and append the routines flag. Your command should look something like this. Our username, P, and then my password, and then our database again. We'll call this one routines dump. Let that run, and then we'll verify that that exists as well. Routines dump.sql. Next up, another set of important data that isn't included by default is your events and triggers. We're going to again use the same command structure, our basic dump, and then append two different flags to the command to retrieve the triggers and the events. Start with your basic MySQL dump command, followed by events and triggers. -u, your username, -p, your password, then the database name, followed by the file name. And then once it's finished, if you want to type ls and verify that the file exists, triggers.sql. Now, if you're like me and you hate remembering these commands and typing them in manually and remembering how to set up your timetables so that everything's triggered on time, remembering which client drivers you need to use for specific application instances, then Ottomatik.io is going to be perfect for your backup needs. More than 11 million backups have been completed. They offer flexible scheduling, SSL encryption to guarantee that your data is safe when it's going back and forth, cloud storage to cover if you want to store it on EC2. I think there's a Dropbox drive, or you have unlimited servers for $10 a month. You can't beat that. Team management too, so you can have multiple users working on your backup situation. Notifications, so you can send notifications to specific email addresses whenever your backups have been completed or if they've failed. It's easy to set up with an SSH key that you add onto your server. So really simple to do there and easy to manage. Everything's through a very intuitive UI system, and it's perfect for that. So check it out, Ottomatik.io, developed by developers for developers, endorsed by Taylor Otwell, the creator of Laravel, along with many, many, many other great developers. Check it out.